Hello, today we will guide you through how to unlink your Gmail account from Outlook. If you no longer want your Gmail account connected to Outlook, this process is fairly quick and straightforward. We'll walk through where to find the right settings and how to remove the linked account safely. As you follow along, take a moment to double check that you're selecting the correct Gmail account, especially if you have more than one connected in Outlook. To begin, open Microsoft Outlook. Make sure you're signed in to the Outlook account where your Gmail address is currently linked. Once Outlook is open and fully loaded, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the Settings option. This is typically shown as a gear icon. Click on Settings to open the menu. After the Settings panel appears, look for the Account section and click on it. This area contains the options related to all email accounts connected to your Outlook profile. If you use Outlook for multiple inboxes, this is where you can review and manage each one individually. Next, click on your account to open its account details. This will bring you to a page where you can see the email accounts associated with Outlook. Take your time here and confirm that you've selected the Gmail account you want to unlink. Removing an account will disconnect it from Outlook, so it's a good idea to be certain before moving ahead. Now find the Gmail account in the list and click Manage beside that account. This opens the specific settings for that connected email address. In some versions of Outlook, the wording or layout may look slightly different, but the option you need should still be related to managing that connected account. Once you are in the Manage section, scroll down until you see the Remove option. Click Remove to unlink the Gmail account from Outlook. Depending on your version of Outlook, you may see a confirmation message asking you to verify the action. If that appears, simply confirm that you want to remove the account. After that, your Gmail account should no longer be connected to Outlook. Keep in mind that this removes the connection from Outlook, but it does not delete your Gmail account itself. You can still access Gmail directly through Google whenever you need it. That's all it takes to unlink your Gmail account from Outlook.